Alright guys, welcome back to RC Voodoo. It is giveaway time for the S9N Mini Foldable Drone. I think this has gone on long enough, so let's just hop over to the computer and I will have TubeBuddy pick a winner and someone will be getting a new drone. So let's go pick a winner. Okay, I'm here at the screen. I'm going to click on my TubeBuddy app, go over here to pick a winner, choose from all comments, pick a winner. Sold Out RC. Nice giveaway, bro. Merry Christmas. Put me in. You are the winner. Sold Out RC. Congratulations. You have a new little drone. Alright, so congratulations once again, Sold Out RC. If you will send me an email, my information is in my About section, so you can grab my email address from there and send me your mailing address. I will get this out to you as soon as possible. And if I don't hear from Sold Out within a few days, I will pick another winner, but hopefully he gets a hold of me and I can send him his new drone. Hope he has fun with it, and thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time. Bye.